What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be learning how to make Beats inline skates from Jet Set Radio using nothing but old shoes and a lot of materials. So here's like a little introduction thing. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was, well, the first main materials you're going to need is hot glue and some cardboard. I cut like a rectangular piece to fit at least half this shoe. And this is what I kind of got. The cardboard is mainly to get the body of the inline skates. And yes, these are like skates you can walk in, not like skate in a park or whatever. And of course I added some extra detail and whatnot around the shoe with the cardboard, so that mainly to give it more body. That's mainly what I was focusing on this entire time, was to give it more body. And here's another photo of the shoe. Like I said, all you need is some cardboard and hot glue for the first step, and to make it a rectangular shape and to make it look like this. Alright, so here's what the first layer is going to look like. It's going to look a little rusty until you add the craft foam on it, which is like 99 cents at Michael's. I highly recommend getting this if you're willing to cover up cardboard to make it look smoother. And what I did was I cut out the exact shape for the inline skates to give it, like this entire setup is to give it more body, to look like actual skates. You'll see the end product very soon once this video is finished. So this is what it looks like so far. Now, after adding all that craft foam and cardboard, you're going to want to color it neon yellow, which is the color I chose specifically instead of just regular yellow for Beats inline skates, just to give it more of a little neon look. Neon, like to make it stand out when photos are being taken. That's the color I went for. The reason why there's tape on top of the shoes is to prevent them from getting paint in them. And of course, the next step I did was I spray painted the tips of the shoes neon orange. About neon orange. And then after that, here's another photo of what they look like up close, just to give you a general idea of what we're looking at so far. And of course, the next step I did was I painted Beats insignia or Beats name on the shoes, just to give it more style, you know, just to make it look different instead of exact. As much as I wanted to, but I wanted to do something different, you know. And this is what they look like so far with the jets on which I'm. So the next step I did was basically like use Crayola air dry clay. You can get it for like $3 or $4 at Michael's as well. That's another material you need to make the jets, and I rolled them up to give them this shape. Sorry if the photo is upside down. And of course this is what it looks like when it's on the shoe, when it's hot glued, and this is what it looks like when I spray painted it. And of course, as you can tell, the jets are on there and painted, and this is what they look like. What it looks like so far. It has more body to it, and it has a lot of neon colors to it, using acrylic paint and spray paint combined together. And the last thing you need to add to the inline skates is the wheel part, not wheels, but the little thingy to make it look like skates. And I cut out a circular piece of cardboard and then hot glued foam on them. And this is what they look like once they're done. Boom, inline skates. And there you have it, how to build Beats inline skates with nothing but cardboard, neon spray paint, and neon acrylic paint, and lots of love, and also lots of foam. Well, not lots of foam, but just some foam, not a lot. And also Crayola, I'm blanking out what it's called. Crayola paint, not paint. Crayola clay. There we go, Crayola clay. And here's a detailed shot and whatnot that I'm right now recording as we speak. So thank you so much for watching. Nothing goes just on its own. One for another and overall. Find a way and let it know. These are times we're saving.